Hello and welcome to this edition of English News. I'm Kate Mary. First, the top headlines. Team of doctors from Jennings have successfully operated 22 different operations. Now the news in detail. A team of doctors from Jennings have successfully operated 22 different operations. The operations were conducted along with the assistance from Tamenglong Chief Medical Officer at Tamenglong District Hospital. This is the second time in Tamenglong District such a successful operation conducted by a team of Jennings doctors. The successful operations were carried out from August 9 to 10. The team of doctors from Jennings were led by Associate Professor of Surgery Dr. N. Jitendra and were accompanied by Surgery Dr. Wormi, Dr. Furai Khan, Anesthesia Dr. Professor Dr. Kaisham Upendro, Dr. Jonah, paramedical staffs and doctors of Tamenglong District. Doctors and staffs were also present in the successful operations. During the 2-day operations, minor operations including gallbladder, appendix, hernia and hydrolysis were successfully operated. Speaking to the media persons, Dr. Jitendra said this is the second time a major successful operation was conducted in Tamenglong District Hospital. He further affirmed, as a doctor, it is the duty to make a patient free from disease and ailments. The team led by him had put maximum attention to the problems of the patients. He further maintained Chief Minister of Manipur has also encouraged and blessed them to conduct successful operation, which was warmly received by the doctors also. Efforts are on to conduct such operations in other hill districts of the state. He also maintained that due to bad road and infrastructural conditions in the hilly areas, even who has not been affected by any disease might face a lot of problem, and it is under this situation more emphasis is being given to hill districts for holding such operations camps. Dr. Jitendra also said that with this camp, the team has already conducted such operations in hill districts 5 times. More such camps will be organized in hill districts, he added.
Doctor already powers except anabadi panba anabadi aduna madugi palamduga manunga from especially Tamenglong Gumba lambi thong patang from sida akoi la ko we are why adu anabasinu laga ko na operation to ba akoi de nuai ba Peshara level Pangaba Nuaiba, Buffalo Pawi, Abu Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, so encouraged from the Janita Sena, Haratsaki, Dr. Nahai, Abu Masi, Aku from Apamsing, Abadishana, Shanda, even More, GD, if Apu Korea, the Kapaki, Yakana. Where they are going to the party, Lamiko, Formina, singing or functions there. When the Ronjabo Kitaruta, Musiana, with team members in the Yamna, PLA, and where
Chief Medical Officer of Tamenglong, Dr. Chambo Golme, has expressed deep gratitude and happiness over the team for holding such a camp in the district and successfully operating 22 cases, saying it a welcome and encouraging sign. Chambo also maintained that many patients have died on the way to hospital even before reaching it due to bad road and transport communication. Over and many above, specialist doctors are still lacking in district hospital of the district. The need for improvement in operation theatre of the hospital should be given priority. Dr. Chambo also expressed to include gynecologist in the next camp to be held in Tamenglong.
Dr. Singh's now, Jennings City, when I see a walk in Hangam, when I see the Laka, Peggy, Lai, the Sing, when we start to put on the bar, I don't think you from when a lot of the operations, and that is successfully. Mana conductor gure and hiding badi asi kumba game si adu khatana su hoina oigini habdi rehaisra every time as in when conductor bun no many have unity but we need more manpower specialist doctors as in masi yamna dagalei aduga asi operation theater sisu chaptana function to sisu yamna mulwe pegi anam sing to sen tamai ati lam digi subdivisions digi la sisu one la.
Underground outfit Pripak Pro has claimed responsibility for yesterday's bomb blast at the highly secured Chief Minister's bungalow gate. According to a press release issued by the Assistant Publicity and Propaganda Secretary Sunil M, the blast was carried out by Pripak's Special Force 2. At around 6:25 p.m. yesterday, a bomb was triggered near the main gate of the Chief Minister's bungalow. The blast comes at a time where the security is tightened around Imphal city ahead of the Independence Day celebration. The Chief Minister's bungalow has been a target of the underground groups in the past. In November 2006, the bungalow was attacked by Pripak's Cobra task force with lethal bomb. In September 2008, the bungalow was attacked with lethal bomb while a grenade exploded in October 2008. As part of precautionary measures being taken up for successful conduct of Independence Day celebration, Imphal East Police today conducted a search and cordon operation in Mahabali area of Imphal East District. The operation was conducted under the supervision of senior police officers of the district. All the male folks ranging from 15 to 20 years were herded together and verified one after another. Imphal East Police, in an effort to keep the area safe and secure in view of successful conduct of Independence Day celebration, have conducted cleaning drive at Hatta Golapati. Garbage and other piles were thoroughly cleaned up as such places are vulnerable to bomb planting and attacks. Additional police Imphal East for operations aim Rajen saw the support and cooperation of general public in the effort of police department to make the Independence Day celebration a success.
Personal kindness and the photography and Saturday like when you see Muhammad among the Thailand to come among a swelling in from point of the Shanghai and Waba, or the Kanga, Swam, never in a security point of view, take the statistic or common waiver. I know being a CMA, Holida, Marima Kaisha, Operation Nama, Satra, Police team Karamok, Sima, Pumping around this Shin, was in a CMO. Smart home of an MC, a holy telepathy, my own village,
One day meeting on the need to save agricultural lands in Laifum Kuno area was held today. Many persons living in and around the area took part in the said meeting. Many speakers who spoke on the meeting expressed deep concern over dwindling in the agricultural lands of Manipur day by day. They also maintained due to the lack of initiative to be taken by state government in protection and preservation of agricultural lands, villagers are compelled to take up the matter to save from further loss of agricultural lands due to various factors. They also painted a grim future of the area if such unabated construction of dwelling places and other structures are come up without any effort to protect and prevent agricultural lands. If it is allowed to continue at this rate, there might be a shortage of food and living areas. In view of the above serious development, the need for protection and preservation of agricultural lands became a must, and we all must be united in this effort to save our future. They also urged to jointly launch a united struggle against such loss of agricultural lands in the state. To strengthen BJP party for the upcoming 14th Lok Sabha election, a national meet of the party was held at New Delhi on 9th of August. The meet was attended by in charge of BJP state units and other members. The meet was attended by party President Rajnath Singh and National General Secretary Lal Ji. Attending the meet from the state were BJP Manipur Pradesh General Secretary M. Ashwini Kumar Singh, Treasurer K.H. Robin Blackie and Convener Dr. L. Nando Singh. During the meet, various issues of Manipur was raised and was discussed. The meeting of national and state conveners on 10th of August also discussed the cooperative sector in the state. NCC Group Headquarters Imphal and Club 25 International Manipur today jointly organized a mega blood donation camp at NCC Multipurpose Hall located at DM College campus. The blood donation camp was held in collaboration with Department of Immunohematology and Blood Transfusion Service, RIMS and Blood Bank and Transfusion Service, JENIMS. A large number of NCC cadets and volunteers of Club 25 International Manipur donated their blood. The mega blood donation camp is sponsored by Manipur State AIDS Control Society and State Blood Transfusion Council, Manipur. To wrap up the headlines once again, team of doctors from JENIMS have successfully operated 22 different operations. But that's it in this edition. Stay tuned and keep watching.